Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have a Bluetooth issue on your iPhone after or before iOS update, the Bluetooth is not discovering devices, not pairing devices on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, then you are at the right place to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap VPN and device management. Here we have to check the list is there is any beta version you have installed, remove the beta version, then go back and tap on software update and update your iPhone to a stable iOS version. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then try these solutions. Enable the airplane mode, disconnect the Bluetooth, and force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After the force restart, we have to go back to settings, disable airplane mode, enable Bluetooth, and try to connect your devices. The next solution is we have to go back to settings, general, and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Here we have to tap on reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After that, we have to check one more thing. Go back to settings, tap on battery and disable low power mode, and also charge your iPhone to a maximum 90 to 95%, and also charge your Bluetooth device that you want to connect. That's it. With this simple and easy step, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully you will find this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.